Hello students, today we will discuss defects in vision. There are two main defects in vision, myopia and hypermetropia. In myopia, we will discuss myopia is also known as short-sightedness. In this defect, objects which are near to eye are clear and the objects which are far from eye are unclear. We know near point, that is least distance of distinct vision, is 25 centimeter for a normal human eye. In this defect, near point remains at 25 centimeter, but far point, as in case of normal human eye, far point is at infinity. The person who is suffering from this defect, far point shifts from infinity to a point nearer to the eye, like 80 centimeter, 100 centimeter, it may be any value. What are the causes of this defect? We all know in our eye converging lens is there, and due to the excessive curvature of eyeball, or you can say elongation of eyeball, converging power of this lens becomes more and it converges the rays before the retina. This is the screen, that is retina. In case of normal eye, object image is formed at retina, but a myopic eye, it converges the rays before the retina. That's why a person suffering from this defect is not able to see the object clearly. And if we want to correct this defect, we use concave lens of appropriate power, and which will diverge the rays, and the now rays will converge up to at point on retina. So how much power should be of this concave lens? We will use the value of far point. If say far point is x for a myopic person, then focal length of the concave lens will be f is equal to minus x. And by calculating this focal length, we can estimate the power of concave lens used for this correction. Students, our next defect is hypermetropia. It is also known as far-sightedness. So persons suffering from this defect are not able to see near objects clearly. So near objects are unclear and far objects are clear. As far point is infinity for a normal human eye, in this defect far point remains at infinity, but as near point is 25 centimeter for a normal healthy human eye, in this case near point shifts away from 25 centimeter, more than 25 centimeter away from eye. What are the causes of this defect? Converging power of eye lens becomes less. The convex lens of our eye is not able to focus the light or converges the light at retina. In hypermetropic eye, it converges the rays after the retina, behind retina, so image is not seen in case of hypermetropic eye. What we will do for correction of this defect, we will use a convex lens. It will converges the rays, and some rays, that converging rays which fall on our eye lens, it converges them to retina. This is how we can solve or we can resolve this defect. Now the question is, how much should be the power of convex lens that we will use? So focal length of that convex lens is focal length of that convex lens is f is equal to x dash into d upon x minus d. X dash is our new near point and d is least distance of distinct vision, that is 25 centimeter. So by using this relation we can calculate new focal length of the corrective lens.